हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ स्पार्क। आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं यूडीएफ के बारे में। व्हाट इज यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शन, हम लोग यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शन कैसे बनाते हैं स्पार्क में। विल सी प्रैक्टिकली हाउ वी रजिस्टर यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शन एंड विल टेक वन सिनेरियो, वन यूज केस एंड विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट। तो यूडीएफ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट while राइटिंग द स्पार्क एप्लीकेशन। इफ यू हैव समथिंग विच यू ऑलवेज नीड टू डू, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी चेक्स को करना है, नल वैल्यू को रिप्लेस करना है किसी और चीज पे, फॉर ऑल द डाटास, मिलियंस ऑफ रिकॉर्ड, you are not going to apply the column transformation or you want to check for each row. So what you will do, you will create a function and that function you will pass the row and ultimately it is going to check the each row of it, but you will create a UDF. That UDF will be not a kind of function. You will write a function and then you have to register it in the UDF in the Spark driver, and then Spark driver will understand it as the UDF, and then you can use this UDF to just solve any of the functionality, repeated functionality in your business application. So what we are doing, and before that please subscribe to my channel, it helps me a lot. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर जरूर करें और उन लोगों तक जरूर इसको शेयर करें जो लोग डाटा इंजीनियरिंग पाथ में नए हैं या डाटा इंजीनियरिंग पाथ में करियर अभी मूव कर रहे हैं। तो टू स्टार्ट विथ आई हैव टेकन द फाइल पीपल 100 CSV। जो अगर आप मेरे पुराने वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो आपको पता होगा कि मैं इसी फाइल पे 100 रिकॉर्ड से, इसी फाइल पे मैं बहुत सारे सिनेरियो को रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ आपके और पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ यूट्यूब पे। सो आवर प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट इज, सो यू कैन सी इन द जेंडर वी हैव मेल एंड फीमेल. So and something is M, something is MA. So this also is a male. This is also a male. This is female. Okay. This is F is female. So this is female. So we have to check that who are the genuine male and who are the genuine female. So we'll consider M and MA as a male. So here also we are going to use the regex, and with the help of regex we want to understand that what is a male by looking into the pattern. This is not foolproof. There can be multiple regex or multiple symbol it can be put there. But depending on your business use case, you can write your own regex. So in my case, my scenario is this. So I would have written a regex which is very similar or which gives the solution for this case. So we'll directly go to the program. So I have created a function. Okay. So before the main, I have created this function and we'll reuse this function. We register this function as a UDF. So we have created a function called gender parse where I'm passing the gender. So what is this? What will be the gender? Gender will be this column name. Okay. This is capital G, but this is a parameter name. We can give any name. So this gender will pass here. Now I have created two what do you call regex parcel. For female, anything which starts with small f, f with m, because we write FEMALE, female. If W with M, woman or something, some other such kind of use case is there, then this will also work. For male, the same thing. We have written starting with M, then MA, that can be M dot A also, W and L. Okay. So if this kind of things are there, or you can remove this one, we don't need this, only this two. Okay. If this kind of scenario is there, then it will identify it. Now here I have use re.search. If you learn about the regex, you will know that in the Python, this will search this pattern in this parameter. So this parameter is gender, which I will pass from the file, and we are doing the lower of it. We'll lower it because we are doing the parsing regex parse on this lower side. Okay, generally we do in the lower side only. And this will be search or compare with this regex parse. If it works, then return female. If the other way works for the male, it returns male. If nothing works, then it will return the unknown part. Unknown. Hope this is clear to you. Okay. Any doubt, please post the comment. So now we have read this file, and now this file, I'll just show you how this file looks. We'll run this. Okay, so you can see in the mail, these values are there. Fine. Now what we have to do, we have to register this function as an UDF. How we do that? So this is how we register the UDF. So we created one variable, one data frame or one variable, and this UDF is registered. We'll call UDF, and for this I would have imported something. Import the UDF function here. It will automatically ask. In my case, we have already imported it because I was just testing this one. So if it is new, if you're not imported, it will ask you to import it. If you want to learn more about it, just hover the mouse, you can get it. So this PyCharm ID is very good with the Spark combination. You can learn it. There are multiple examples. You can go into it. You can scroll down. You can learn more about it. You don't need to Google everything outside. So what I have done. So I have given the function name. See, my function name is gender parse. Gender parse. I've given the function name, and my return type is the string type. Okay, or I'm passing the string type. Fine. So this is how we register the UDF. Now this will be registered to the Spark driver, who is the master of the your application. When you will run this, if you would have gone through the my previous video, you would be knowing that a Spark driver is the master of your application, Spark application. So this will be registered to your Spark driver. And now we are going to use this UDF, gender parser underscore UDF. So to use this UDF, so what we are doing, the file with column. So we are doing the searching on with column. You can also register it into SQL, Spark SQL, which will get into the catalog part. If it uses the Hive catalog, it will get stored into the Hive catalog. So we are not going into that detail. We are going into normal column. So with column, what I'm going to do, I'm going using the gender columns. You can see now the G is capital. So this is the column name. And what will be the values? So with column, if you go and search, if you just hover the mouse, you will learn about the with column. So we have to give the column name, and then we have to give the values with it. So you can go and look into it, right? Now I'm given the column names, and the value is I'm passing this gender to this function. Now it's an UDF, but for our understanding, if it's a function, so I'm passing gender into this function, and as per the return type, as per the return code or values, female, male, unknown, your gender will get that value, and ultimately your data frame will be created. Okay, so now we are going to run this. Just save this. Okay, now you can see gender. There is no M and other stuff. F, M, MA is not there. What we had in the original data. In the original data, you can see we have these values here. F is there, MA is there, F is there. So this is not there. So UDF, you can create this UDF. You can use it into like in your extraction stream. There are multiple files coming every day. Nightly jobs is there. So this UDF is very easy, and this creating this UDF have an edge. It gives you the better optimization in your Spark, in your PySpark. And if you create your own logic dot with column and then apply the logic into that, that can also work. But this have a better edge, and it gives the better optimization in the Spark. Hope this is very clear to you. If you have any doubt, please post the comment or contact me through my email address, which is in the channel description. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए. टेक केयर एंड हैप्पी लर्निंग.